वागर्थाविव सम्प्रक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ. Welcome to my channel Voice of Sanskrit in Ayurveda. Is Samskrita having any importance in Ayurveda? Is it plays important role in Ayurveda? Is it having any major role in Ayurveda? Friends, the answer is yes. Samskrita and Ayurveda like two faces of same coin. There is avinabhava sambandha between Samskrita and Ayurveda. It is like right eye and left eye. Ayurveda never moves without Sanskrit. Ayurveda, what do you mean by Ayurveda? It is told that Hita hitam sukham dukkham Ayustasya hita hitam Mananjata chayatroktam Ayurveda sa uchyate. So, in this Ayurveda, each and every books of Sanskrit written in Sanskrit language only. In a Ayurveda course, in a BMS course, most of the students are without knowing the subject Sanskrit, entering to BMS course, they face so much problem to study, to by heart the shlokas of Sanskrit. So, I would like to clear your Sanskrit doubts from top to bottom. Each and every topic I will going to explain in detail. Vyakarana, Subhashita, Panchatantra, Anwad Chandrika. More than that, general knowledge regarding the Samskrita language, Samskrita alphabets. That is the meaning. Friends, in Samskrita, there are 48 letters are there. 48 letters. They are divided into Swarakshara, Vyanjanakshara, Yoga. So, I am going to explain all these orally plus writing in the board and explaining in detail. This Samskrita language, the script of Samskrita language is Devanagari script. Samskrita, it is called as Deva Bhasha. Bhasha Sumadhura Divya Girvana Bharati. Samskritasya pratithe dve Samskritam Samskritischa. It is told that Samskrita Bhasha Sakala Bhasha Janani, mother of all languages. Samskrita is Sarala Bhasha, Sundara Bhasha. That is why it is told that Samyak Kritam Samskritam. Arthat Samskrita, Samskara Yukta Bhasha, Parishkrita Bhasha, refined language. Samskrita Akshara, Samskrita Varnamala. It is came from the sound of the daka. Drum made the sound. Who? Nataraja Raja, Shiva. Nrittavasane Nataraja Rajo Nanadadakam Nau Panchavaram Uddhartu Kamah Sanakadi Siddhan Yetad Vimarshe Shiva Sutra Jalam. This shloka explains about Samskrita Akshara. It is coming from the sound of the daka, the sound made by Maheshwara. In the time of Tandava Nritya, he made the daka into sound into 14 times. From the sound of the daka, the series of Samskrita alphabets are made. This sound, it is heard by the Samskrita Vyakarana Pitamaha Panini Maharshi. He, by hearing the sound of the daka, he wrote his grantha, Vyakarana Grantha, that is known as Ashtadhyayi. Samskrita Pitamaha, father of Samskrita grammar, Panini, is considered as father of Samskrita Vyakarana. The three sages, Maharshi Panini, Maharshi Patanjali, and Katyayana or Vararuchi. These three sages given a great contribution to our Samskrita knowledge, Samskrita language. It is told that Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. So Bhattoji Dikshita, he is saluting these three sages, the great scholars of Samskrita grammar. So I will be explaining each and every topic of the grammar. That is Samnya Prakarana, Karaka Prakarana, Samasa Prakarana, Sandhi Prakarana, each and everything, every topic explaining in detail. More than that, Vaidikiya Subhashita. Subhashitas gives beauty to our Samskrita language. It is told that Pruthivyam Tridi Ratnani Jalam Annam Subhashitam Mudhaihi Pashana Kandeshu Ratna Samnya Vidhiyate. So it is told that Jalam Annam Subhashitam. Subhashitas. Sushtu Bhashitam Subhashitam. Subhashitam Subhashitam. Shobhanam Bhashitam Subhashitam. Sundaram Bhashitam Subhashitam. What do you mean by Subhashita? Subhashita means good words. Good sayings are called Subhashitas. What is the beauty of Subhashita? It is told that Draksha Mlanamukhi Jata Sharkara Cha Ashmatam Gataha Subhashita Rasasyagre Sudha Bhita Divam Gataha. It is one of the beautiful shloka. It explains about the importance of Subhashita. So each and every Subhashita shloka, so beautiful shlokas. So beautiful shlokas I will be explaining in detail. More than that, one more topic, Panchatantra. Each and every one you may know that who wrote Panchatantra? Panchatantra written by Vishnu Sharma. In a Panchatantra, beautiful stories. What is the use of reading all these topics? It helps to read the Ayurveda subject without mistake. You can split it and you can read. You can read Charaka Samhita, Shusha Samhita, Veda Samhita, Sharngara Samhita. Whatever the Samhitas written by the great Rishi Varyas. without mistake you can read and write and you can by heart the shloka by the knowledge of Samskrita. So, the study of Samskrita is very, very, very important, especially in the BMS first year class. That is why it is told that Samskritam Samskritopamam. Each and every topic I will be explaining in detail to get each and every topic in a proper time. Press bell icon, subscribe my channel Voice of Sanskrit in Ayurveda. Comment it, like it, press bell icon. Thank you, Nanda.